her nightly carrot. Little did she know, Robert was there, waiting for her. Robert, with his huge, bulging muscles, and his long, flowing hair. Suddenly, she could smell his aroma, his scent, as he snuck across the stable.
She knew the scent very well because it was the scent of Goop. Goop from Zellion on 5!
What? I knew you'd come for me!
The time has come! Your horse won't save you from...
It's a pony!
Robert was saddened by the fact that he just slapped the pony and knew he would have to make it up to Maria. He said the most romantic thing that any woman had ever heard.
Get behind that horse.
Really? You think so?
Of course he thought so, because he wanted to take that horse and her, take it on a spaceship, put them in a little farm, maybe a little zoo on some planet, and then make sure they were all naked and awkward. He was trying to end
Have you ever been to my home planet?
So along?
Zorlahan, you know of it then.
Only once, in a dream.
It is the most romantic dream Maria had ever had. For Robert came to her and got down on one knee and gave her a ring with the largest gem in the universe upon it. Fortunately, it was very heavy. Robert began to work out. His muscles began to ripple. He had a fine sheen.
because he was an alien! He was an alien! That's why he had a fine sheen! Yes! And they were blown away by his alien physique, which, because it was painted beige, looked like a human.
You're so similar, yet so different. These hair-covered horns or cowlicks or whatever it was you said they were, and your forked tongue.
Maria was turned on like she never had been before. She suddenly became filled with desire to kiss Robert.
Which is really gross! And it got really even grosser. Some tentacles popped out. And the pony just wanted to get out of the stable. Within about 5 minutes, everybody was really disappointed with themselves.
Unfortunately, as all romances do, this one ended in tragedy. For Maria now knew the truth and could never live with what she had discovered.
Were you eating me? Were you eating me while we were kissing? I felt like the inside of my mouth was being eaten.
We do things differently on Zorlahan. But you accepted me.
I feel hurt, and I feel used. My pony had never seen anything like that before.
The pony actually had seen something sort of like that before.
Your pony likes me. Let me carry you off to Zorlahan and I'll use my tentacles in ways that Earthmen can only laugh at.